right, y'all, live and in living color. Just because you quarantine don't mean that you keep your house clean. I'm just saying, okay? So, girl, I ain't been feeling like doing these dishes. You know, all this eating. Eating, girl. There's chicken, whole thing of chicken. There's ribs. Baby, look. Okay, so this is what we gonna do today. Okay, for at least a couple hours. Let's clean out this refrigerator. Of course, I'm gonna get my kitchen ready, but the main thing, we're gonna clean this refrigerator out. Let's do that. Okay. All right. Yeah. So stick with you, girl. I'm coming back at you. Stick with you, girl. Let's get rid of some of this, what they call food. I'm so tired of food. And I don't mean it in that way. I'm just saying, girl. Let's clean this out. Look, sometimes it's like scratch your head. Where are we gonna start? Okay? In this little bit kitchen. I am so glad I don't have no big kitchen. I could not do that. So, yeah. I'm gonna get a cleaning concept going on. Just told you what's going on. How's everybody? How's everybody? I hope you're doing very well in this quarantine, which is in God's world, and the world is in God's hands. So, I hope all is well in your house, in your mind, in your spirit. Okay, now, so, girl, but we gonna get it together. No worries. No worries. First, let's see. Okay. So in the dishwasher, we got the dirty dishes, a few of them. So I'm gonna finish. I need to get some more dishwashing liquid. Finish starting it this way. So yeah, you guys. Look at all these peanuts. It's about Elisha put them in here, just a bowl of nuts. So we come up in here eating some and keep it moving. Then put the bowl right back down there. But that's how this kitchen be getting, like, just a little something. It's livable, honey. Look, I'm one of them. I got a livable house, okay? It's nice, it's clean, it's tidy, it's livable. I always had that. Had a lot of kids. So yeah, hope everybody doing okay. Going to get rid of this lemon. It's pretty dried out. I could put it in, you know what, you guys? No. It's dried out, but I still can grind it up in my thing. Don't you, I should go have to come take this trash. Oh boy. Yeah. You know what I want? A bread keeper. I remember my grandma used to have one. I can't find a bread keeper to keep my bread. I don't know. Y'all know where to get a bread keeper? Let me know. Comment down below. Because I really want one. Because I grew up with one. Those little things come to mind. But I think a lot of this video, I don't know, I may just play music and mute it, So you see my, well, you wouldn't be able to hear it, but my lips moving and stuff, but it's muted. I don't mind washing dishes by hand. I don't mind. Okay? I just minded doing it often. And often is usually daily. So, it's one of them. Let me see, have I watched any good movies since, girl, I've been trying to, There's been so much going on. I've caught, glimpses and maybe watch half of a, season or something, or let me see. I've been watching. I've been reading now. I did pick up a book. I got a book. Butterflies in My Stomach. And by Sonetta Crispin. So I got my girl's book there. And so I've been reading that. It's a good, easy read. It's really, you know, got a lot of fundamentals. You know. So if you haven't picked it up, pick it up. It's on Amazon. Yeah. She has a channel too. I like her. She cool. And then she became really cool when I found out that she's from my hometown, Omaha. I was really like, okay. Yeah. So anyway, you guys, yeah, I've been reading the Bible, reading other books. Picked up a book, Black Lives, White Lives, with a black author. Read a little something of that in there. You know, girl, this is some good old look. It's about to go in the trash, but girl, this slab of ribs, baby. I know. That's what I'm saying. All this food, girl, and I am a meat eater. You know, I'm from the Midwest, so you know it's all about the cows, the pigs, the hogs. You know what I'm saying? Pork chop, feather bones. You know, pork this, beef that. Steak that, girl. So I'm not a seafood girl. I know a lot of people is big on this seafood stuff. Now, give me a good steak. I'm one of them. You know, but this was good, girl. Elisha's father brought it over. He brought over food too, you know, as usual. Cause yeah, I do have a growing boy in this home. Team too. So, girl, that man is real. Anyway, that's gone there. I guess I'll wash this out and keep it. I mean, I should put it downstairs in the garage so he can get that. But, girl, I'm telling you, it's just, with all this, what's that noise? Maintenance. They need to clean our back pool back here. Girl, thinking West Nile virus and stuff because it's been raining and all. Put these in the washer. Well, I can use this to clean. But, yeah, it's been raining and all, and some little Lysol Kitten Pro at hand. You know, so I'm thinking this pool, because I'm in apartments, this pool need a, you know, when they said that, again, they said, but you know, that West Nile, remember that West Nile stuff? Girl, Ebola, Salmonella, all kind of scientific diseases, you know, every medicine we take, girl, all the side effects, and don't know if the herbs are genuine anymore, girl, all that. But girl, I ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna keep the faith. All is well. You know, all is well. Girl, I have bought some cleaning stuff for that stove, and I don't know. I mean, I guess it do okay, you guys, but maybe I need a different kind of scrubber, because you know, I have the beautiful steel and black and all of that, and I have the cleaners and stuff like that, you know, but it don't, I don't know. I may use them, I may not, okay? I'm not trying to do extra. Remember, we like it tidy, it ain't got, we grow up in germs, okay? We are a germ, okay? I mean, the whole flesh ain't nothing but a germ. So our environments really are attuned to us. You know what I'm saying? So when we talk about, and this may just be for me, If you get it, you get it, you know. But so when we talk about germs and all that stuff, and you know, I know I've been seeing a lot of people like cleaning this and cleaning that, cleaning this, cleaning that. Okay, but it is my home, you know, and I'm attuned to it, and it's attuned to me. You know what I'm saying? All that. Physically, spiritually, my home is attuned to me. Hello, somebody. So, yeah, girl. You know, so I don't know. I may not use it. I don't know. It seems like extra work, you know? But, who do this? Look, girl, look. We still trying to get the last, look, we turning it upside down. Upside down, baby. And got a whole new one over here, but we still gonna get the last of that, right? It ain't going nowhere. It's got a place right here. You know? So, anyway. Yeah, because Elijah like pancakes, girl. Pancakes, waffles, all that. Whew, and that'll fill a growing boy up. You know, he don't eat a lot of them because he's healthy. You know, and we not, I understand. So we ain't doing, you know, we try to eat healthy in this house too, you know. Well, yeah. You know, some Jolly Ranchers, girl. These are good. I like them. I don't have no candy bowl. I got a little bowl or something I can put it in, but I ain't worried. That's why we just keep it right up here on the counter. It's me and him. You know, you want some Jolly Ranchers or you want some peanuts, you know, whatever. Okay, we got this for. All right, let me pay attention. I'm gonna stop talking to y'all. cleaning out. Girl, I am breathing, okay? That was a mini workout for real, right? So, let's clean this out. All right? Girl. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm back. Pretty Green Hands, girl. That movie just came to mind. Remember Lady Sing the Blues? Diana Ross, girl. Yeah. So, you know, I don't always wear kitchen gloves to clean up my kitchen. I don't. I'm doing it primarily now because I feel safer in it. Because my nails, I got these long nails, and I don't know, it just seems like it's safer, you know. So like I said, do a little cleaning out this refrigerator, girl, all this food. I'm not gonna talk too much because that's gonna slow me up, and I don't want my stuff sitting out of my refrigerator too long. So, yeah, let me turn it. Well, I don't need to turn it off. I need to just be quiet, right? Focus on what I'm doing. That's what I'm talking about. Excuse me. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, everybody, let's do this reveal here. We have organized to the best of our ability, and that is great for me in this household, right? We have wiped down and threw away a little something and moved a little something and put a little... Girl, I am sneezing and I am hot. We're about to mop real here. Let me see how we're gonna do this. Something like that, right? This is just a little lip mop that I have that you know, that's it. And just squirt a little water down and do it just like that. Okay, quickly. Here we go. Dishes already up in there, getting cleaned up and washed and everything. Remember, my house is livable. So remote control, they're my peanuts, you know, and Elijah's peanuts. It's my spirulina right here. I keep up here in my container. There's Lysol on deck. Elijah, rest of his, I don't want to throw it out for him. Rest of his Kool-Aid or whatever, his concoction there. You know what I'm saying? So we good. We'll let the water out, all that good stuff. Whew. Lysol wipes on deck. Okay. I need to downsize that. I'll figure something out. Let's see. We good. We good. Turned upside down. We got to get every drop. We got a little candy right there. That's a Febreze right there. This is what I was talking about, how I keep mine, guys. It's like, okay, you know, everything else ain't necessary. You know what I'm saying? For me. I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about me. Yeah, that's my sage. Yeah, we got dragon's blood and we got the regular sage. So, that's what's going on. I hope you enjoy.
There's a reason for
and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and you know what came to mind? That's what it is. In God's word, we ain't nothing. When I talked about germs, in God's word, he says we ain't nothing but rich dirt. We're made from rich dirt. Ain't nothing but no dirt. Okay, y'all. We in the bedroom now. I done made up my bed and stuff, and I was going to vacuum in here. And I had bought these Febreze. Girl, they, you know, like a filter or something, and it's supposed to, you know, put out a really, you know, nice scent. I can't find where on this vacuum the thing's supposed to go, girl. And I ain't trying to read no directions. I'm just not. I'm one of them. Look, girl, I'm looking at the vacuum like, okay, it's a circle. So we looking for circle entries or something. Girl, why I pull out something down there and it's like, girl, that's not it. And I'm like, did I buy the right one? And so then, but from what this says, I bought the right one. Girl, look, I'm not gonna entertain it right now. So we just gonna vacuum up. I done made up the bed, y'all. My spring color, yellow. We love it, right? So, girl, yeah, I just got this little, what is this? A little Bissell vacuum. So let me go vacuum real quick, because I don't vacuum no real enough. people say, you know, they don't show certain parts of their home due to, you know, privacy or whatever like that. I get it. But here's my deal. See, my essence stops right here. So whatever's going on out there is not coming in here. You understand? So I don't mind being intimate and letting somebody, you know, see my bedroom or, you know, now I do have a space that I probably won't just sit there and let you just, you know what I'm saying? But girl, all is well. All is well. So, you know, I'm not one of those type of believers.